Our next topic is definition. So children, under the definition of rational numbers, let's see what comes. The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p by q is a fraction, children, numerator divided by denominator. Again, I'll say the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, are called rational numbers. Now, the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, इसका मतलब होता है कि कोई भी नंबर जो फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में है, या तो होल नंबर है, या तो नेचुरल नंबर है, या तो फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में है, बट द क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस डेफिनेशन इज इवन इफ इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q, आपका डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. द q शुड नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 0. Those type of numbers are known as rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 11, 7 minus 7 by 9, minus 20 by 70, 0, etc. You can give n number of examples, children, n number of examples of rational numbers. Now you can see that I have written here the number 0. यहाँ पे 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है, 10 भी हो सकता है, 100 भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Even we all know that all the natural numbers and whole numbers are rational numbers. Why? Because यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में 0 है. I can write 0 as 0 by 1 also, 0 by 12 also, 0 by 20 also, which means डिनोमिनेटर में मैं कोई भी होल नंबर, कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर्स डाल सकती हूँ, जिससे कि my answer will always remain same, which is 0 by any number gives you 0. So children, 0 by any number gives you 0. So my denominator can be any natural number. This means that this satisfies the definition of rational number, which means it is in the form of p by q and q is not equals to 0. My denominator is never equals to 0 and the answer also remains same. 0 by any number gives me 0. Therefore, 0 is a rational number as it can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0, and when q value actually means the set of natural numbers. I can take any value of q as a natural number. This is the special case of rational number. Children, ये question हमेशा question में exams में पूछा जाता है कि is 0 a rational number or not. So this is the explanation for that answer, that question. I hope children आपको previous knowledge concept and definition जो है ये आपको समझ में आया होगा. This is very very important. बहुत commonly पूछा जाता है हमेशा एग्जाम्स में. what are rational numbers and give examples and why is 0 a rational number or not. So ये सारे points आपको हमेशा याद रखने हैं children, especially the definition, क्योंकि definition अगर गलत हुआ तो सारी चीजें गलत हो जाएंगी. So keep this in mind. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. बाकी के points के लिए stay tuned. We will discuss in our next video. Till then, live happily and enjoy your life, children. Study well. Thank you.